Our telescope does look different from every other telescope you've ever seen. It doesn't look like Galileo's little tube with a lens at each end. Way different from anything that we've ever built for anywhere before.
We're building a perfectly great telescope on the ground. We're aligning on the ground. We're testing on the ground. It's going to work perfectly, right? It's going to be great. Then what do? We bust it up. We fold it up. We put it into a launch vehicle. Then once we get it on orbit and it deploys, now we got to realign it on orbit remotely.
50 of the most complex deployments ever attempted robotically.
The telescope looks weird, but that's a matter of perspective. To me, it looks beautiful.
So that's your mission if you choose to accept it.
Yes, we had 344 single point failures, 295 of which were associated with deployment, almost all of which would have been mission ending.
So with
Pour les décomptes finales. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, unité.
Because we were a few miles out, you see it go, and it's going up and up and up and up. You don't hear it for at least 45 seconds to a minute. You know, all of my hopes and dreams and wishes and frankly, a piece of me launched at that time. And you see it go, and it's such a strange thing to only hear it, and it just rumbles.
At liftoff.
Décollage.
Décollage, liftoff from a tropical rainforest to the edge of time itself. James Webb begins a voyage back to the birth of the universe.
And it's a really specific, odd rumble that a rocket has leaving the atmosphere that also keeps it special in your memory because it's something that is very different than sounds that you hear anytime else.
Just over a minute from now, Springs will gently push Webb away from the upper stage of the Ariane 5.
There's this loop running in your brain where you're like, did that just really happen? You know, did we just really take off after multiple decades at this? Did we just really leave the Earth?
Séparation Webb Space Telescope. Go Webb!
Ironically enough, as we marvel on this view from the upper stage camera, this will be humanity's last view of the James Webb Space Telescope as it moves to its workplace about 1 million miles away from Earth.
The launch team is done. Now all the attention turns to the operations centers.
For those of you who are just joining us, we are looking at live coverage of the deployment of the secondary mirror for the James Webb Space Telescope. You're looking at an animation that includes real-time telemetry, real-time data from the spacecraft as to the configuration that it's in.
We used to make jokes. It was like, hey, Merry Christmas. Look what we got. We got a telescope. Oh, some assembly required. Yeah, it was some assembly.
We start getting our deployment started, and Webb was performing beautifully.
You're seeing an animation, but this isn't just any random animation. This is actually based on real data.
That script looks good. You're go to execute.
Roger, executed.
Command will fire OTE LRM Group 5. OC, you're go to fire.
Copy, go to fire.
It's not just pushing buttons. There's a lot of real-time information that comes in, and you've got to be able to deal with it. You've got to assimilate it, figure out what to do, and make an action.
I'm getting more and more excited. My heart is starting to beat faster and faster. For me, there's a tremendous amount of joy. I mean, I have this smile like on my face from ear to ear right now.
Again, we had rehearsed everything and practiced it a zillion times, But now you're up there and you only got one chance to get it right.
Without this mirror in its right position, we do not get light into the telescope.
Motor move has completed successfully, and depth lead has confirmed we are go to proceed with the last two safe.
Roger, executing.
We are now at a point where we're about 600,000 miles from Earth, and we actually have a telescope. So congratulations to everybody.
Well, I'm thrilled to see that it finally works, because when we started off, we got a lot of people laughing at us that that was impossibly difficult. And now it's done.